Hello, my name is Vicki Light. I was born in Kansas, where my journey begins. I was a model, and I modeled in New York and a lot of places, and then I went to Colorado, where I started a modeling agency. And at that modeling agency, I became very successful, and it was one of the top agencies in the country for that region. And then I moved to LA to open up a theatrical agency to develop actors and actresses for film and television. And then through my life, I had many different jobs, and I was a professional tennis player for a while, which was one of the highlights of my career. I loved to do that. I loved playing tennis. And I taught tennis in Florida, and that's where I spent most of my time with tennis. And then I moved to Los Angeles to open up my agency. In 1983, I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. I was always very physically motivated. I had more confidence in my body than I did in my mind, and I had a pretty good mind. So that was very confronting to me, to be diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, because your body starts to fail you, and when your body fails you, it's so devastating. I couldn't believe that I can't walk, but I know that I'm going to, and that's one thing that's really taken me through this, is that I know that I'm getting better all the time. Multiple sclerosis is a rather mysterious illness. You don't really know what it means or what it's going to happen to you, but you know that something big is going to happen. And dealing with that really taught me what I was about inside.